Today I want to talk about self-application of cups. This one, the first cup I'm going to demo, happens to be a edge cup, a lower edge cup. This cup can be applied lots of different ways. The easiest self-help way is to put your fingers on this edge, the lip, distort that lip just a little bit, place that on the area that you're going to put it on, push down a little bit with the heel of your hand, take your fingers out, and it stays on. You can tell that this cup, I applied it, the stiffness on the top of the cup indicates that it's very light. It's not being drawn in tight at all. If I wanted to adjust that cup and put it on tighter, I could let more air out. And this is a medium cup. See how spongy and soft the top is, and it's in a pressure of medium. I can also adjust that cup again, self-help, if I'd like to get it on hard or stiff. I can push all the way down, take my fingers out, let go, and you can see that it's dished in on the top. This is an indication that the cup was on very strong, and you would substantially know the difference just from the feel as you put that cup on and apply it. This cup can be put on in static. If you used lubrication, if you lubricated the area that you're going to work on, then you could do dynamic cupping with it and actually move it and slide it around for whatever strength that you wanted to do with this edge cup.